Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Come aboard with us in today's episode as we introduce Princess Cruises OceanReady Enhancements, designed to provide a streamlined and more efficient check-in process. So what's changing with this new release of OceanReady? Princess Cruises is revolutionizing the check-in process to make it smoother and more convenient for guests. With their enhanced OceanReady experience, you'll have 3 distinct lanes to choose from. Number 1, Green Lane. This is for guests who have completed all 5 steps of the travel checklist and have opted to ship their medallions to their residential address. Number 2, Blue Lane. This is for guests who have completed some, none, or all 5 steps of the travel checklist but haven't chosen to have their medallions shipped. They can collect their medallions at the terminal. Number 3, Accessibility Lane. This is reserved for guests with mobility or other accessibility needs, ensuring a streamlined check-in experience. Now, you may be asking, why are these changes being made to OceanReady? Princess Cruises has made these enhancements based on valuable feedback from you, their guests, who appreciate the convenience of having everything completed beforehand. If you've completed the travel checklist and have your medallions with you when you arrive at the terminal, you'll enjoy a seamless check-in experience compared to those picking up their medallions at the terminal. Here's how you can now become Green Lane ready. To join the Green Lane and enjoy a hassle-free check-in experience, you need to complete the following steps on the Princess mobile application or the OceanReady website up to 13 days before your cruise. Number 1, provide your personal information. Number 2, provide a payment method. Number 3, agree to the passage contract. Number 4, upload your travel documents. Number 5, upload a security photo. Number 6, choose to have your medallion shipped to your residential address. And voila! Once all these steps are completed, a Green Lane OceanReady Pass will be displayed on the home screen of the Princess mobile application on your device. Attention travelers from around the world. While currently only residents of the United States and Puerto Rico are eligible to have their medallions shipped, we have good news for our friends in Australia, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Princess Cruises will soon be expanding shipping options to include residents from these regions too, so stay tuned. Having difficulties becoming Green Lane? We've got you covered. If you are unable to complete all the steps to receive the Green Lane designation, you can visit the Blue Lane check-in station at the terminal. Princess will have their friendly staff there to assist you. Additionally, guests can contact Princess for assistance during the pre-cruise check-in process using the provided phone numbers. What about those guests already in the Green Lane? Don't worry, guests who have already elected to have their medallions shipped to their homes will remain in the Green Lane. However, if your cruise begins more than 13 days from now, you can regain Green Lane status by opting for medallion shipment to your residential address. For guests who become newly designated Blue Lane, Princess Cruises' helpful staff will guide you through the check-in process at the terminal. How can you identify your OceanReady lane? To easily identify your designated lane, you'll find a small green or blue text designator under your profile picture when navigating the travel checklist section on the Princess mobile application or the OceanReady website. Starting 13 days before the cruise, your OceanReady Pass on the home screen of the mobile application will also indicate your designated lane color. With these changes, you no longer need to select an arrival group time. You can arrive within the check-in window at a time that suits you best. General check-in times will be displayed on the travel summary page accessible via Cruise Personalizer. Priority boarding benefits, making VIP moments even better. Full Suite, Elite, Platinum, and Reserve Collection guests can still enjoy the perks of green, blue, or accessibility lanes during the check-in process. Additionally, if check-in begins before the ship is cleared for boarding by local authorities, these guests will receive expedited boarding privileges. And of course, designated priority seating lounges and tantalizing food and beverage offerings will continue as a value-added benefit. OceanReady at your convenience, anytime, anywhere. All guests can still complete the travel checklist at any time before arriving at the terminal for check-in. However, green lane status won't be available within 13 days of the sailing date. We strongly encourage all guests to complete the travel checklist regardless, as it will save valuable time during the embarkation process. Medallion and accessory shipping. When will you receive them? Once ordered, medallions will be shipped 12 to 24 days before the start of your cruise, depending on the order date. Guests who opt to retrieve their medallions at the terminal via the blue lane or those who didn't make any selection will be able to collect them during the embarkation process. And that's a wrap, sailors! So, are you excited about these new Princess Cruises OceanReady enhancements? Share your thoughts, questions, and feelings in the comments section below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.